guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike AIR KUKINIs. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike AIR KUKINI. And we got this in the Summit White Aviator Grey colorway in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 42, and it's a US men's 8.5. And this is a very, this is retro actually, because we hit that sweet spot where the early 2000s was 20 years ago. So this is one of those Y2K sneakers. And here it is. So for those that don't know, it was part of the Alpha project from Nike, which was they did the Air Prestos as well. Dope sneakers, and it featured, if you look at the design, it's very Y2K. It's got that vibe of the early 2000s, as I mentioned, because it was released in the early 2000s. So we'll start with this outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got a different kind of traction patterning. You can see around. You can see the plastic shank in the middle where the Nike logo is, right there. And just moving on to the midsole section. So this midsole section, the main body of the midsole is made out of Phylon, and you can see prominently that nice Air Max bubble, which gives it the comfort, support. You know what you're dealing with when you see an Air Max bubble. It's like a lot of heritage from Nike. Moving on to the upper. So this upper is made out of synthetic materials, but what's so dominant and what you can see from any angle is this spider web like cage. What is called on the Nike website, and as it's colloquially called amongst sneakerheads, this is the spider webbing. You can see it all around. Some of that plastic around. So you can see it as well. I forgot what kind of Presto it is, but you have a Presto cage. Gives you the same vibes. It is again part of that like 2000s look. If you look at the Air Max TNs, 110s, we call it here in the UK, you can see like little plastic cages as well. And at the time, those plastic cages were a big hit for Nike. And just underneath the plastic cage, the main body of the sneaker is all made out of synthetic materials all around. And you can see by the patterning right there, it's kind of in this reflective silver line, and it's the contours, so you can see it like when you look at geographical maps. And it's just underneath the Summit Grey colorway. So the main body of the sneaker, if you look at the whole textile upper, it's in this beautiful grey, complemented well by the silver linings. And if you look closer, so you got around here at the lateral side, you can see, well, I assume that's some underwear. And on the medial side here, you can see a bike. Can't tell what this is. I think that looks like DJ decks to me, but I think they've incorporated the lifestyles of the early 2000s. Looking at the toe box area, so toe box, you can see the synthetic levers, PU right there, making the toe box area. And the similar materials used at the heel, and again, it's at the back of the sneaker. You can see it right there on the white parts. Little pull tab right there at the heel, and there's no laces, so you can slip your feet into these sneakers. And the insole, you got this synthetic insole, Nike swoosh inside, and that wraps up my review. I can't wait to try these on. These look so dope with that Y2K. The trend at the minute is kind of Y2K. I'm gonna say Y2K a lot in this video, but the early 2000s, you can see in fashion, everything is cyclical anyway. And you've got these sneakers are coming back with a bang from Nike. So let's see what I look like with these on. terms of the fit, guys, I recommend it. You get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be, and these feel a bit tight, guys, but very comfortable on the underside. You know, that technology's back into 2000s, still hold up. It does feel like it is pulling me in a bit. It does feel a bit too tight again, but I think you just have to break these in. These look really dope on. Feels like an Air Max 95. I mean, they look like an Air Max 95, but no laces. And it was relatively easy to get my feet in, which is a plus, because all these sneakers now with the lightweight materials, you know, with knits and all that, they're so difficult to put on, but this was easier than that. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end. Until next time, peace.